Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to like someone on the Hinge dating app. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Hinge dating app on your device, and once it is opened up, log into your account if you haven't done so already using your email address or your phone number or other credentials. Now after logging into your account, you will directly be taken into the home page from which you can scroll through various different profiles that you can match with. Now if you come across any profile that you like, then you can simply tap on the heart icon alongside their profile picture. You will now have a few different options, such as adding a comment along with your like, and you also have the option to send a rose or a gift. You can simply add any message if you want to add, and then tap on the send like button, and this will send your like to this user. If you don't find any person that you're interested in, you can also edit your profile filter by tapping on your account icon at the bottom right corner, and then from here you can tap on the filter icon at the top right. From the filter menu, you will be able to change your filter, and this will only show you the accounts that match your preference. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to like someone on the Hinge dating app. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.